scheme is being made by central government and it is followed in Goa. Earlier, I was of the opinion that when taxi is there already in Goa, in a small state, rent a cab should not be given. I was of the opinion. 5 years the matter was in the court, High Court, that it should not be given. And state government has झालेलं आमच्याकडे parking ना, आमच्याकडे multi-level car parks ना, आमच्याकडे infrastructure na, roads are small and more vehicles should not come. But due to self-employment, ही स्कीम दिल्ली हा. आता ही स्कीम थोडे जाण म्हणटा भायल्यांक दिवप ना भितरल्यांक दिवप. हांव काय हेचेर कमेंट करूंक सोदिना. जे भायले आहा पळय ते गोंयान जाल्ले आहा. आमी एज अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया आय कॅनॉट कॉल देम आउटसायडर एंड आय एम नॉट सपोर्टिंग एनीबडी. ही स्कीम वॉट एवर इज देयर रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशन्स ऑफ द स्कीम ते रुल्स एंड रेग्युलेशना प्रमाणे हें दिवप तें. आनी जेन्ना हांवें इन्वेस्टिगेशन केलें तितून 70% गोवन्स आहा. जे हे भुरगे म्हणटात तांकां दिनाका. 70% गोवन्स, 30% आर नॉन गोवन्स. their fathers were from out of Goa but their children are born in Goa. Whoever is applying here are born in Goa. So I do not want to comment more than that, and I am not the officer who is giving this, who has made the rules and regulations. So whatever are the rules and regulations, government will follow and give this scheme to those people. Right now, there are two players in Kalangut. One is North Goa Rent a Cab Association and another is North Goa Tourist Taxi Owners Association. Both are giving rent a cab scheme. So there is one more person from Kandolin who has, again I am saying, 70% Goans and 30% their parents were from out of Goa, but their children are born in Goa. I found out it is with the Department of Transport to look at the rules and regulations and give. I am not commenting on that, but I always support my Goan people. ये जे allegation घालता की I am not supporting Goan, I am the only person who is supporting Goan. हे जे आयज उलयता, this is political. हे दोग तीग जाण जे भुरग्यांनी हे घडोवन हाडला हे कोणाचे मनीस, एक्स MLA चे मनीस. आणि जे तो म्हणटा हे भायले 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 तांकां भायल्यांक भितर कोणें हाडले? एक्स MLAनूच हाडले न्हू. सो दे आर born here, they have studied in St. Teresa High School, Kandolin. They are going to St. Teresa Higher Secondary in Kandolin. They are going to all other schools over there. They got married here and they got children here. They are part and parcel of Kandolin village. I am not commenting on that. Who brought them and why they are here and all those things. So तो जो आमकां टार्गेट करूंक सोदता की आमी तांकां हेल्प करता म्हणून, तेचो ओन बॉस, तेंचो बॉस, हे दोग तीग जाणांचो बॉस जो आहा एक्स MLA, तोच तितून आसलो पयलीं. I have not brought them, anybody over here. I am not welcoming people over here. Goa is a small state. Whoever is already there are welcome to stay. Rules and regulations कितें म्हणटा त्या प्रमाणे लायसन मेळटलें.
सो तेंचे मेन आरोप आसलो की मायकल लोगन तांकां कॅरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट दिलें.
कॅरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट आमी जी दिल्या तो भुरगो गोवन. तूं सांग म्हाका, पर्सन हू इज बॉर्न इन गोवा, हू हॅज स्टडीड इन गोवा इन द स्कूल, कॉलेज, and he is born here, studied here, सगळे ताका कॅरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट हांवें दिवप नाजाल्यार कोणें दिवप? Whoever comes to my office and when I look at all the certificates, we say that when he is born over here, he has studied over here, we have to help them. We cannot differentiate. नाजाल्यार अशें जावंक जातलें की आयज आमचे 1 लाख जे गोंयकार वचोन लंडनाक रावल्ले आहा पोर्चुगीज पासपोर्ट करून, ते म्हणटले फाल्यां हे आमचे सिटीजन न्हू म्हणून, हे आमचे न्हूच म्हणून. सो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड देर इज migration of population which is happening, and we need to take care that Goa is being a small state, we should not allow any more. And त्या खातीर required steps have been taken by TCP department not to allow small plots to be sold. ऑर्चर्ड प्लॉट शेतां प्लॉट करून विकप ना म्हणून ऑलरेडी बील येयल्लें आहा असेंब्ली. सो ऑन दॅट मायग्रेशन ऑफ पॉप्युलेशन इन गोवा वील स्टॉप.